I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by driving the truck onto level pavement and chalking the rear wheels. You'll lift the front only. Position a hydraulic jack under the specified lift point, then set 2 jack stands under the frame. This keeps the suspension unloaded and safe. Remove the front wheels using a 15 mm or 18 mm socket so you can access the sway bar links and bushings. Once the vehicle is secure and wheels are off, inspect old components so you know what's seized, bent, or simply worn out before unbolting anything. You spray penetrating oil on link nuts and bushing bolts, then break them loose. If a stud spins, hold it with an open wrench while turning the nut. Once links are freed, unbolt the bushing brackets and gently lower the sway bar. Support it with one hand because it can be heavy and spring-loaded. Clean mounting surfaces and compare old parts to the new sway bar to confirm fitment. Make sure you transfer any brackets or new bushings in the correct orientation so the bar sits centered and aligned. You lift the new sway bar into place and loosely install the bushing brackets so you can fine-tune alignment, then attach the sway bar links and hand-tighten all fasteners. Lower the truck to ride height, this seats the bushings. Then torque the bracket bolts and link nuts to the manufacturer's specs because correct torque prevents squeaks and premature wear. Finally, drive the truck slowly and listen for clunks. If you hear noise, recheck torques and bushings. If binding persists, verify link length and bracket orientation as the core.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.